When 22-year-old Daniel discovered a mistake that could cost his company $12 million, he thought he was about to become a hero. Instead, his boss fired him on the spot. Daniel was the kind of employee nobody noticed. He arrived before the cleaners and left after the security guards. While his fellow interns were networking at coffee shops, Daniel was buried in the global transit spreadsheets. For 6 months, he lived on caffeine and the hope of a permanent contract. He didn't want fame. He just wanted a seat at the table. It was a Friday evening. Daniel was running a routine audit when the numbers stopped making sense. A double payment, then a triple. It wasn't a glitch, it was a loophole. $12 million was quietly bleeding out of the company's accounts, and no one had seen it for years. Daniel checked the math 4 times. His heart wasn't just racing, it was pounding.
Sir, I think I found something important.
What is it?
The duplicated payments, the revenue leak, the evidence.
Leave it with me. He had no idea what was coming.
Monday morning, Daniel rushed to his manager, Mr. Sterling. He explained the leak, the evidence, and the solution. For a second, Sterling's eyes widened. Daniel felt a surge of pride. This is it, he thought. This is my
promotion. Leave the files with me, Daniel. I'll handle the executives. Great work.
This is it, Daniel. This is my promotion.
3 days later, the email went out. Special recognition for Mr. Sterling for saving the company $12 million. There was no mention of Daniel, no mention of the intern who stayed until midnight. Sterling had taken every bit of the credit and the massive bonus that came with it. But Sterling couldn't have a witness walking around. The following Monday, Daniel was called to HR.
Your internship
is being terminated effective immediately, they said. No reason, no warning, just a cardboard box and a security escort to the door. That night, when his mother called to ask how work was, Daniel couldn't speak. He just sat in the dark and cried.
Daniel, how was work?
I can't.
Sterling made one fatal mistake. He forgot that Daniel was a data expert. Daniel didn't want revenge, he wanted the truth. He had saved every draft, every time-stamped email, and every log of the original discovery. He sent one final 40-page report to the ethics department. Then, he waited. 1 week, 2, nothing but silence. On the third Monday, the company exploded. The audit didn't just prove Daniel was right. It proved Sterling had been stealing credit from employees for a decade. Multiple promotions, all built on the backs of people he'd silenced. The $12 million hero was fired, stripped of his bonus, and blacklisted from the industry. The company begged Daniel to come back with a massive salary, but Daniel knew his worth. He took a better offer at their biggest competitor, a place that actually valued integrity. Today, Daniel leads his own team. And every time a junior employee has an idea, he makes sure the whole world knows their name.